Good afternoon, students. I have already discussed about the concept of HTML, different tags. Today, I am going to discuss about another HTML tag, that is font tag. Okay, font tag. You can see the attribute of font tag is face, size, color. Face is which type of font type. It's or Arial, it's Calibri. That is the font face. The size of the font, and the color. So these are the attributes of font tag. So what is the rules? How you can write a font tag? You can write like this way: under body font face equal to Arial, size equal to 4, color equal to blue. That means when we will put this particular code, you can see as it is in black and white. You can't see here the text will be the size of this text which is printed on our web site. That is size is 4 and the color is blue. Okay, and it is the Arial format. So this is the attributes of font tag. So you can use this font tag inside your HTML code. Next, the tag formatting tag. Okay, there are different formatting tag which we can use on our text base. These all are the tags on based on text. Which are those tags? That is, first one is a B, that is used to bold. If you want to bold my particular text, you can use B tag. I tag is for italic. U for if we want to put underline under any particular text, we can use U. SUP is the subscript, superscript, and SUB is subscript. We know superscript, subscript when we put A squared. So the power of 2 is written under the superscript, and subscript under H2. The 2 is under H, that is subscript. So if we want to put anything like superscript and subscript type, we can put code like this way. SUP particular code, then close the SUP and then close the beer. Okay, one thing you keep in your mind, all these tags are container tags, so you have to put the closing tag. So another tags are big for the size of the font. That should be in big, and the small text appear in a smaller font as compared to the rest. So if we want to represent any text smaller than compared to other, then we put small. EM is for the logical tag similar to it, used to emphasize. If we want to emphasize any text, we can put EM tag. Strong for the more strongly, like more bold. That is used in strong tag. Okay, so you can see all the examples of this such of tag. You can see how we can use B for bold form. The output will be like this way. The output side is the right side. A picture is for the output of the given left side's coding. Next, we have the we can put all this code and all this tag under a single. If we put B, I, U, all the tag under, and you can write a particular text, then what will be the output? The output will be the text will be in bold, in italic, and there should be a underline. Next, another important tag, that is list. If we want to print something in a list format in our web page, then we can put ordered or unordered. What is the difference between this ordered and unordered? Ordered list is by default ordered, like 1, 2, 3. This is the ordered. And the unordered list, when we want to put something in bullet, when we want to something list of data under a start type printing, then we will put start. So in ordered list, it's always maintain a particular order, but in unordered, it can be anything. So the by default unordered list type is bullet. Okay, so what will be the code? What is the format for ordered writing a ordered list code? You can see under body we have to write OL first, then li. What is li? Li is a list element. If we want to put whatever we will write under our list, we have to write li. Keep one thing in your mind, li is not the container tag, it's the empty tag, but OL or UL is the container tag. So we have to start the well, then we have to put the li and all, then we will write each and every element under li, then we will end the well and then body and then html. Then there is an example of ul, unordered list. You can see that li, keyboard, mouse, scanner, and what will be the output? The output will be by default in bullet. Okay, so the unordered list output is by default in bullet format. Next, we can mention unordered list like ul order type equal to star. If we mention like this, then the unordered list output will be always will be shown, the list will be shown like a star. Okay, so this is the basic concept of today's lesson. So first we have discussed about the font type and their attribute, how we can write a font type attribute, and what will be the output for that. Next I have discussed about the text formatting, how many formatting tags are there that we can apply on any text. So that is mentioned over there. And last one is the list tag, that is well or ul, that two different well, and one is ordered list and another is unordered list. So I have seen you how we can write ordered list or unordered list, and what will be the output for this. Just go through it. I hope you will understand this. Okay, thank you. On your next class I will try to show this all thing by a properly practical class, but till then just go to the code, just go to the output, then I will discuss about it elaborately on our class. Thank you.